You bought a hardware wallet. You think you're safe. You're setting it up.
But writing is slow, so you take a quick photo. Or you type it into a notes app. That was the moment you lost everything. Your cold storage just went hot. Modern malware scans your gallery. It uses OCR to read text and images. It looks for words like seed or recovery. They don't need your device. They just need the words. They restore your wallet on their computer. By the time you wake up, your life savings are gone. The golden rule: analog only. Your seed phrase must never touch a camera or a keyboard. Use steel for serious amounts. Fireproof. Waterproof. Hackerproof. If you are your own bank, act like it. Keep your keys offline.